Are you a vegetarian? A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or fish. People are vegetarians for a number of reasons. Some feel it is wrong to kill animals for food. Others believe that vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. Some people choose to be vegetarians for ecological reasons. They argue that the growing of vegetables takes up much less land than the raising of livestock. Moreover, it is easier to provide food for all the people on earth by growing vegetables than by raising vegetable-eating animals. Modern medical advice also favors vegetarian food. Medical men advise people to cut down on fat, salt and sugar. They recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good order. Moreover, vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. Almost everyone can afford to buy them, but not everyone can afford to buy meat. In rich countries, there has been a tremendous increase in the demand for meat. It has resulted in a number of problems. It has become the biggest cause of deforestation as more and more land is being cleared for raising livestock. To produce 1 kilogram of animal meat, we need 7 kilograms of grain, which needs 7,000 liters of water to grow. As more and more water is being used for raising pigs and chickens for food, millions of our wells are going dry. Mass production of meat has also become a huge source of pollution. Farm animals in the United States produce 130 times more waste than people do. One farm in Utah produces more sewage than the whole city of Los Angeles. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish in our rivers and oceans. In some areas, it has polluted our drinking water also. Eating a lot of meat can lead to a number of health problems, such as increased obesity, heart disease, and various forms of cancer. The various chemicals fed to livestock these days are also a matter of serious concern. The long-term effects of eating meat from these animals can be terrible. Some people argue that vegetarian food can be short of protein, but this is not true. Plenty of protein can be obtained from such articles as peas, beans, nuts, seeds, pulses, cereals, soya, and milk products. Vegetarians have invented for themselves high-protein vegetable foods such as peanut butter, cornflakes, and muesli. In fact, vegetarian products are rich in all kinds of nutrients. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fibers that help to keep our digestion working properly. Vegetarians can obtain iron from dried fruit, pulses, oats, nuts, and brown rice. They can obtain calcium from cheese, nuts, sesame seeds, green leafy vegetables, and soya. Potatoes contain starches which the body can burn up to make energy. Do you know, the elephant is the biggest and the strongest of land animals, and it is a vegetarian. It kills no animal for its food.